Hi guys, it's me, Monokuma, and I'll show you something. My parrot! Yeah, that's my parrot. He's so beautiful. Say something. Danganronpa. Anyways. Oh, hi. Oh, hey, Raptor. I had a new parrot. Just copy. Hello. How you doing? Good. He is so beautiful. Wow, that was a nice parrot. Wow, that's a nice parrot. Anyways, let's begin. This is my parrot. And say something. Monokuma is a retard, right? What? I am not a retard. What's the matter with you? Calling me a retard. Nobody call me a retard. I'm smart, right? Yeah, I agree. I will see you later then. Okay, that's all I need to say. I'm gonna go now. See ya.